Okay, hi from me and my huge ego. About 17 years ago, I got diagnosed with a lower back injury. I have 3 discs that are not in place and are hurting, well, are touching my left nerve. So they told me the best thing to do is swim through the whole year round. And luckily, I live in this country that it's quite easy to do that in beautiful Greece. So there are many breathing techniques that can help you with swimming in cold water. And because I'm interested in all that, I've also looked up this guy, which name I'm going to tell you later, Hugh something. Uh, he's got this amazing breathing technique, which I've taken a video of before when I was out on the sea. It's too windy now, that's why I'm in the car talking to you. And it's very helpful not only to get ready your body and energy and mind to get inside the cold water, not only that, but also it helps relax your mental gibberish. You kind of stop to think once you're done with this exercise, or not once you're done, while you're doing this exercise, breathing exercise. It's very strong. You should never do it inside the sea or the water or the bathroom or the swimming pool, or you should never do it driving. No, because you are over oxygenate yourself with this exercise, and you can definitely lose your, well, definitely there's a possibility that you can lose your consciousness. If you are outside, it's okay. If you are in your home, if you are somewhere that you're going to be sitting, of course, doing it, or lying down, you get back afterwards. It's not dangerous. But if you are, look at this guy. This guy is now, he came to do surfing. So I'm going to show you this guy. Look, you see him? He's amazing. He's going to surf. There are more surfers here to come. The guy that I was talking about, his name is Wim Hof method. Well, that's the name of the method he invented, and you can Google him, and there are so many articles and videos. He even has a free app, Wim Hof. He has also done university studies that have proven the method works. Let's do the exercise together. So, we inhale either from the mouth or from the nose, depending how you feel, and bring the air down into your abdominal. Actually 30 to 40 times. Inhaling really deeply into your abdominal and exhaling. Inhaling as deep as possible and just exhaling and inhaling again, over oxygenating your body. Okay, we do it together, so keep going. Yes, I love doing this exercise in nature. I love to do anything that is possible in nature. I would love to be able to live there and anywhere that I'm close to life and not man-made buildings. Keep going, okay, breathing. And then exhale and hold your breath. Don't push yourself too much. Just hold your breath for as long as you feel comfortable. Put an alarm, a time watch to see how long you're holding your breath for. And then when you do the second round, put a time watch again and check if the second time or the third or the fourth you are holding your breath for a bit longer. This is an exercise that you should daily try it out, and then you will definitely see results as soon as you get into it. More and more you'll be able to hold your breath for longer, and that will make you feel much more relaxed, stress free. So when you hold your breath, it calms your nervous system, because what happens when you hold your breath is your carbon dioxide, which you're supposed to exhale after your body uses all the oxygen that you've inhaled, there is a leftover, and that's called carbon dioxide, and that travels back to the lungs from the bloodstream, and we exhale it. But when we don't exhale it for a few seconds to a minute or maybe 2 minutes, again, I have to make sure that you never do this exercise if you are in the water or if you are driving. And it's better actually to have somebody with you when you do this exercise, in case you lose your consciousness. But if you are in bed and or somewhere that you can, on your couch, sit down on the chair in a safe environment, don't worry. Even if you lose your consciousness, it will come straight back naturally. So just making sure you take the absolutely right precautions before you do this exercise. But it is really, I don't want to scare you, because it's not a scary thing to do. It's quite amazing and rejuvenating. And so what happens is, when we hold our breath and the carbon dioxide builds up inside, accumulates in our blood, um, our brain and heart, that calms the nervous system, because there is more blood going to the brain and to the heart, so it cools down the nervous system. There was a study done in 2015 that also says that breathing that way can bring you in a higher level of self-awareness. So our mind controls our senses, and our breath controls our mind. So I'm sure everyone would like to try this out and see how you feel. Definitely has made me feel very different about uh, negative feelings, about fearful ideas, like breathing really takes you out from your normal self and brings you to a different level of, you could call it self, but it's higher than self. Try it, and would be helpful if you had a book, and wrote down, a diary, writing down your experiences, how long you kept your breath, what you felt while you did this, the different way you feel when you do it more times. I do it 4 times, inhaling and exhaling 30 to 40 times, and holding my breath. I do that 4 times and then I relax. I found out, because I've tried to do it more than 4 times, that after 4 times you start not to be able to hold your breath as long anymore. So your body, I assume, gets tired. Please let me know. Let me know if this is something that resonated with you. There are many types of breathing, as you know, and I've also talked almost only about breathing these last 4 YouTube videos. There are so many more breathing techniques, and they are all very helpful. And sometimes it's nice to be able to change from one to another one because you get bored to doing just one way of breath. So let me know.